Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Today's eye makeup is very dreamlike and radiant with a combination of blue eyeshadows and a double winged eyeliner technique that makes this look captivating. This tutorial is super easy to follow, so if you'd like to try it out, keep watching the rest of the video and let's get started. To start, I'm using this light blue powder eyeshadow that is very beautiful and soft. With a flat brush, I apply the eyeshadow to the inner corner of my eyelid. Since this eyeshadow is a bit shimmery, I found that using a flat brush makes it easier to apply. This eye makeup is suitable for beginners, so if you are new to this specific makeup look, you can follow along with me step by step. The blending of this eyeshadow is also very easy. In the blending process, I didn't see any harsh lines. I also add another layer of this beautiful eyeshadow to make the look more bold. Be sure to blend the eyeshadow well in this area and extend it up to the middle of the eyelid. Next, I'm using a dark blue powder eyeshadow. I can't quite describe the exact color as it seems to shift towards a deep purple hue in different lighting. I apply this eyeshadow to the outer corner of my eyelid using the same flat brush technique as before. Take your time and blend the eyeshadow well in this area. This eyeshadow with a touch of glitter has made this eye makeup look dreamlike and beautiful. I'm switching to a smaller flat brush and using the same dark blue eyeshadow to apply it to my lower lash line. I start from the outer corner and blend the eyeshadow inward, extending it towards the middle of the lower lash line. Next, I'm using a powder glitter and applying a bit of it with my finger to the center of my eyelid. For this eye makeup look, you can use an eyeshadow palette with your favorite shades instead of single powder eyeshadows. I'm also applying the glitter to the uncovered areas of my lower lash line. It's time for the eyeliner now. I'm using a dark brown eyeliner. I start from the outer corner of my eye and extend the winged eyeliner look up to the middle of my lid as this shape suits my eye shape better. Based on your personal preference, you could continue the eyeliner all the way to the inner corner of your eye as well. I'm using a white eyeliner and I'm creating a new winged eyeliner look directly on top of the previous one. This technique might be a bit challenging at first, but take your time on this step, go slowly and carefully and make any necessary corrections if the lines look uneven. With some practice, you will be able to get the hang of it. I've decided to use this cute light blue eyeshadow to create the top eyeliner look instead. This step can be optional. With the help of a small brush, I carefully apply the eyeshadow in that area. I use false eyelashes and our eye makeup is complete. Thank you for watching this video up to this point. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and leave your comments down below. Also, if you're interested in makeup and beauty, I upload tutorial videos every week, so be sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on future videos. I really appreciate your support. See you in the next video. Bye bye.
I need rest now, got me bummed out. You baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've came from losing, rest of me.